How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add and find nearby friends on Snapchat. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Alright, let's jump right in. First thing first, you will just have to open up your Snapchat. And once you do so, you will be on this camera page. Now from here, all you have to do is on the bottom left corner, you will see the map option. Just tap on it and it will open up your Snap Map. Now what you have to do here is search for your friends nearby. As you can see right here, you will find all of your friends. And if you zoom out, if you have friends on other countries, it will show up like this. And once you do that, you can tap on them and then add them as your friends. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you next time.